Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see swing trading stocks for next week, that is 30th November to 4th December. We only have two stocks as we can only find these many stocks from our custom made swing trading stock screener as you can see in front of you. Now we will analyze these stocks and see at which level we can trade in Monday's session. So first stock we have is Dabur India. So as always, when we select stocks for swing trading, we are going to draw a trend line like this. And this is a well established support level. You can see two candlestick on a daily chart with the wick on the bottom side, which give us surety that this is an extremely strong support level. So in Monday's session, what I see is that two things are going to happen. Price is going to reverse from 500, then it will go till the here, which is the point at which Dabur is going to break the trend line, which is equal to 507. And after that, it might consolidate, and after which it will go up. So that's how I given my level. I will tell you, and you will know when we will see all the different levels in a tabular format. So we are going to trade at 500, then first target should be around 505, then we are going to keep on trailing our stop loss, and that's about it. Now we will analyze second stock, which is Muthoot Finance. So if you look at a daily chart, this is a well established support level, and this is our trend line that we are going to trade. So you can see that this was a downward movement which took support at this, and after that Muthoot never came even close to its support level, but during current down rally you see wick on the bottom side, which solidifies our stance that this is an extremely strong support level. So in Monday's session, if Muthoot goes above the market price of 1175, we can totally see it is going to go near this particular level, which is 12,200, and after that I am also confident that it is also going to challenge the level of 1275. So we are looking at a profit of around 115 point, that's maximum in Muthoot Finance in Monday's session, or for the week after Monday, which is 30th November to 4th December. As always, in the last part of the video, we are going to see all the different levels in the two stocks that we just discussed, which are Dabur and Muthoot Finance. So I have mentioned all the levels clearly, as you can see in front of you. All the rather two stocks have three targets, and what you have to do is you have to keep on trailing your stop loss. So once target 1 gets hit, that should be your trailing stop loss, and similarly target 2, and the last target is target 3. I have also mentioned risk to reward ratio so that you will be able to understand how much risk you are taking for the profit. In case of Dabur, the first target, which is 508, so you are taking 4 rupees profit, 4 rupees risk to earn 8 rupees. So the profit and risk ratio is 1:2. I hope you understood everything, and we are going to keep all the things transparent and as easy as possible so that you guys can select the stock as well as trade independently. I am not going to introduce complicated patterns every single day or every single week for that matter to confuse all of you. Thank you for watching.